About a year ago, I had a case where a father of a child that had been born out of wedlock was ordered to pay child support, about $500 a month. And he had paid that child support for about 4 months until the parties got married. In other words, he married the mother of the child. And at that point, he stopped paying child support. Well, move forward 10 years and they're getting divorced. And guess what? The child support office now comes after him for all of those arrears, over $50,000 worth of back payments, even though he was married to the mother during all of that time. Well, that case went to court, and guess what? The judge ruled that he, in fact, owed that money. Well, move forward a year. I have another case, very similar to that case, where the father was ordered to pay child support, paid it for a little while, then the parties got married, then they got divorced, and the child support office came after him for that entire arrearage. But in this case, we had a different judge, and this judge decided the case on principles of equity and fairness instead of strictly on the law. Very interesting, because the cases were almost identical, but the outcomes were polar opposites. One judge followed the law, the other judge followed her feelings, her heart. She knew that it would be unfair to saddle that guy with that much child support when he had been living with that mother, married to her, and raising that child. It's a very interesting contrast. But it goes to show you that many times who you have as a judge makes all the difference in the world. Judges are human. Some judges will rule one way, other judges another. In these particular cases, the judges ruled completely opposite. But that happens. What is your remedy when that happens? Well, you can take it up on appeal, but I think in either one of those cases, the Court of Appeals would have probably affirmed the ruling of each of those judges because they were both right in their own respect.